Today's mochi cooking is a French toast. You are not gonna believe this is made out of mochi. It's the fluffiest and the tastiest French toast ever, and it's gluten-free. Let's get started. First things first, grab your mochi and let's cut into bite-sized cubes. Now, mochi can be a bit firm, so take it slow and steady with your knife. Hold on tight and slice it up and make those cubes manageable. Pop those mochi cubes into a microwave-proof bowl, pour whole milk and let them cook and melt in a microwave for 3 minutes at 600 watt. If the mochi holds its shape still, a quick 20 to 30 seconds more should do the work. Stir it well until you've got a smooth and thick paste. I noticed how the process feels a bit like making a pâte à choux. The pâte à choux is used for cream puffs, involves a similar mixing method. Just like with mochi, it's all about creating the texture that holds moisture. The dough expands and becomes hollow as it cooks, in this case making a light and airy texture French toast. And it's time to crack those eggs and beat them well. Add in 1/3 at a time, and here's the trick. It might not seem like they are mixing at first, but focus your mochi cutting skills. Slowly let the dough absorb the eggs like so, and you'll end up with a smooth and shiny batter that falls like a ribbon. Don't forget to sprinkle in some sugar and salt along the way. After all the eggs are in, your batter should look gorgeous. Now for the cooking part. I'm using a rectangle pan, but the round one works just as well. Heat it up until sizzling and grease it with oil, and then cool it down by placing it on a damp towel. If you are using a copper or another steel pan, make sure it's hot and grease it up and then cool it down just like that. If you are using a non-stick pan, skip this process. Place on a low heat and put butter in and swirl and pour in the smooth mochi batter. And cover it up. I'm using an aluminum foil since I can't find the lid, and let it cook for 5 minutes. After that, you'll see the magic. It swells up and edges turn golden brown, and it's ready for the final touch. Run a spatula around the pan and fold in half and flip it onto your serving dish. Now for the finishing touch, the toppings. I'm using a kumquat compote and sweet black beans left over from the New Year's celebrations, but feel free to use honey, maple syrup, jam, or fruit, or whatever you have on hand. And there you have it, a mouth-watering mochi French toast that is sweet but not overly sweet, fluffy and melt in your mouth. It will be your breakfast or brunch or even a lunch, and that's easy to make and sure to be impressive. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. It tastes so good. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!